Gold scaling to the new highs, scaling to the record levels at 3058 has finally shown some signs of exhaustion. Yes, it was slightly overbought and we have seen a good dip all the way towards 3025-26 levels, while silver definitely found the next resistance at 34 and has retraced all the way towards 3310. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Can we expect a bounce back and a recovery? Are the lows done or there is a possibility of a further correction? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. This is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical level. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch gold on the hourly charts finally seen trading below the 20 and 50 period moving average. Yes, it was trading super bullish since long now and finally it is showing signs of exhaustion. And yes, it is after long now it is trading below the 20 and 50 period moving average, which calls for it to converge further at see 3025-24 should be the first support here. 3020 should be the next. Any drop below 3020 should take it all the way towards 3010. That is my expectation. Possibility is there that it can try to erase some of the gains further, but 3024-25 should be the first level it should break in order to continue the downside here. And yes, till 3010, in fact till 3000 it has got extremely strong support levels. Notice it is trying to trade lower, it is trying to put pressure on the bands to expand. I will wait if it puts the pressure and the current candle closes outside the bullish bands, because see that will initiate the next few candles to stay outside bands and keep putting the pressure on the bands to expand further. The stock as it has come to an oversold zone. The MACD is trading with divergence, looking downwards, staying bearish. RSI dropped sharp, coming to 2 on the 2 hour chart. Similar observation, see resistance here on the upside, it is showing signs of exhaustion. 3 to 4 bearish candles have appeared and it is definitely a good support zone. See, this is how we can see none of the candles have closed below 30 levels since now last few candles. And see, this is what we discussed: rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. And now this is going to be the one critical zone, because see, a bounce back from here again can take the prices towards the high, and thus the next candle is definitely something you should watch out for. A drop below 3024-25 and 3020 is a clear indication of prevailing bearishness here in gold prices. The stock I think has come to an oversold zone. The MACD is starting to diverge, trading bearish here. The RSI has dropped here as well. On the 3 hour charts, now on the 3 hour chart, this is just a conversion towards 20 period and prices are not yet closing below 20 period. That is a good sign for the bulls. And see, it is finding a good support as well. Look at this, none of the candles closing below 30. That is another good sign, supportive for further bullishness. If you look at the move here, you can find out, see, it is trading in this bullish channel. It is just coming out of the channel. The stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is trading with divergence. The MACD trading bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped here. On the 4 hour charts, similar observation. It is just moved towards 20 period. Yes, it was trading with divergence and it is converged here. I will wait for it to trade below 20 period, and that is why 24, 25 and 30-20 levels are going to remain a greater support here. A trade below 25-20 should be a indication that the prices are now finally exhausted and we can look forward to a move towards this zone sooner or later, that is 2980, $3,000 levels. The stochastic overbought, trying to cool. The MACD, if you look at it, is at the top now, crossed over, trading with divergence. It is just 2 candles away. This suggests that it can keep moving downwards further. The RSI was overbought, trying to cool down here and coming to the day. Now, before you look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the daily charts, if you look at, see, after hitting the highs, prices are now trying to erase some of the gains. Very important for gold to breach below yesterday's low, that is 3022, and that is why I say 3024-25 and 3020 are going to remain two key support levels here for the day, because see, once it starts to drop below yesterday's low, we can look forward to a further down move here, which can take the prices towards 3010 or in fact $3,000 levels, which are going to remain the next key support levels. The stock IC is staying extremely overbought for a while now, and must try to move downwards, and that is what we are looking at here. While looked at the MACD, this is also trading with divergence and bullishness. The highs it has seen has seen a little retracement, then a crossover. Now again I will wait for this next crossover, which is going to take the prices further down. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. So consider now the next buying entry is only above 3045. If you see it is staying above 3045, you can buy here. Expect 3050, 3052 as the first target, 3056, 58 as the next, and if these two are taken, is stay bullish for 3070. And beyond 3070, it is going to turn extremely bullish all the way towards 3085, $31 levels. So right now I do not see that happening. Possibility is less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3028, 30 levels. Expect 3024, 3020, and if these two are taken, ideally I will be looking forward to a move towards 3010, 3012, and if that is taken, then 3000 levels. Below 3000, it should deliver a greater correction all the way towards 2980 levels, but right now appears difficult that it is going to deliver such a great drop. However, below 2980, the next landing is directly towards 2950, 2960 zone. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly charts. Lower highs here, lower lows here, nice flag formation. Earlier in the day I have mentioned this happening, that see this drop, retracement drop, and see you can see this, the resistance it is getting from the $34 levels calls for it to reverse, and that is what has happened beautifully. Just was the video few hours back which I have uploaded, and you can see this happening. Moving averages have crossed over. This is again a bearish sign here, and see this crossover is happening after a while since this crossover. So yes, this may continue here for a while, and now it is also putting pressure on the bands to expand, and hence now it has to trade below 33 and 3280 levels. If these two levels are taken, stay short for 3250, 3240 zone. The stochastic oversold here. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has also come towards an oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see since this bullish cross, we have not seen moving averages crossing over, and now it is trying to do the same. Yes, moving averages have started to converge. Wait for a crossover, prices might retrace here, and it might continue to trade in this bearish chart. Very important point to note, see look at this rise. Now it has almost erased the gains from this candle, and now it has to trade below 33 and 3280 zone. If these two levels are taken, consider that as a reversal point for silver, where the prices are going to correct sharp further. In if you see the stochastic, this has come to an oversold zone. The MACD is right now looking downwards, trading bearish here, and the RSI has seen a good dip as well. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. See this flat top was very important, and that is why $34 levels held strong. With that as stronger resistance, prices start to re. But I will say, see one thing to note here, it has got greater support till towards 33, and now it is very important for silver to trade below 33 and 3280. Now see it is putting pressure on the bands to expand, and it is expanding on the downside more, suggest increasing bearishness. Though the moving averages have not yet crossed over, we will wait for it to cross over in order to confirm further bearishness. The stochastic looking downwards, MACD trading bearish, RSI looking downwards, and if you see the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. See flat top was important, and now it is very crucial for silver to trade above 34 in order to confirm reversal for the near future. Is also on the downside, it is very important for it to trade below 33. So right now it is staying in the box. It has to come out of this box in order to confirm a direction. I will not treat this as a bearish reversal as of now. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD trading sharply bearish looking down. The RSI has dropped sharp as well. Coming to now on the daily chart, see after getting a stronger resistance here, it has erased the gains for last few candles, and it has now come towards the support. Also, if you see, it was trading with divergence from the 20 period, now trying to converge. And if you look at the move here, if you divide this into two, rise, retracement, rise, it could retrace, it could move towards the bottom of the channel, and the bottom of the channel is right now at around 32, 31.50 levels. So I'll wait for it to stay below 32 80, $33 levels, then 32.50 levels should appear, then 32 is the next support. Below 32 we can look forward to a greater correction in the near future all the way towards 31.50. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD after trading bullish now trying to converge. It has formed a double top. A crossover here can lead to a sharper correction. RSI looking downwards as well. So now consider See, now we know that 34 is a wall which it needs to break, and that should be difficult anyways to for silver to break beyond. Still, if you see, it is staying beyond 33.50. And now see 33.40, 36.60. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned this is going to hold a stronger support, and as and how it has breached 33.40.60 zone, what a strong correction it has shown. So now on the upside, it has to break beyond these levels 33.40, 36.60. This was the support. Now this is going to hold a stronger resistance. So if you see silver trading above 33.40, you can buy, but then be careful at 33.60, 33.70 zone, the first target zone, very, very strong resistance here, then 33.80. If at all it trades above 34, then only we can confirm a reversal, and this appears to be a difficult target. Now it is, I think it is going to be really, really difficult for silver to trade above 34. And thus wait for it to take a direction. Right now I can see 33.40, 33.60 should be a greater resistance for the day. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 33.15 levels, expected to move towards 33 first, 32.80 second, and then 32.50.40. If these three levels are taken, stay short for 32 and 31.50 levels as the next targets. Though appears difficult that such a strong correction will be seen today. And yes, but as in how these levels are breached, if even if not today, then tomorrow, yes, the bearishness should increase. And hence take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank